How to color grade on Capcut. So I was able to move from this is the natural video, this is what the video is looking like naturally, and I was able to switch from this particular effect to this particular effect, and this is the color grading. So from this was what it used to be, and after color grading, this is the result I get. Now let me show you how you can achieve that in minutes on Capcut. If you head over to your Capcut, if you come to this adjust button, if you come to this adjust button, so this is what I do if I have plenty clips on Capcut. So I'll just, instead of me tapping on the video to adjust, instead of me tapping on this video to adjust like this, so what I do is I will not tap on the video, I'll just click out on all the video and I'll just click on adjust. So that way, after finishing everything, I can easily drag to the other parts of the clip instead of me doing it one. So that is what I basically do. So let's go ahead. So you just come here and you click on this particular adjust. So let me just show you everything I did. So for brightness, you can see for my brightness I moved it to 11. For contrast was -12. For saturation is 50. For brilliance is -10. For sharpening is 47. For clarity is 49. And HSL is if you want to change the color of your clothes, which I do not want. Then for this also applicable. Then for highlights I did -11. For shadow is -3. For white is -7. For black is -1. Then temperature is -5. Hue is -4. And that was how I did it. That was what I did basically to get that back. After I was done, I'll just click on that that button, and that was what I did to achieve it. You can see this is the before color grading and this is after. So if I move this back, you can see that it will have this effect. Then if I want to drag it to all the clips, I can as well drag it to all my clips, so it will give me this particular effect. You get. So that is how to color grade on Capcut.